So luckily, tomorrow should be like a little bit of sun, and that way we can enjoy our time in the Boracay beach, the white sand beach.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we are in Boracay! Hey everyone, so it's our first day here in Boracay and the sun is finally out and look at the beach. It's stunning. Amazing. Thank you God for this wonderful creation. So we are on the way to meet the e-trike driver for the land trip because the day is beautiful and we don't know the weather for today, so maybe later in the afternoon it's gonna rain again. So we'll take this time to have the land trip while the weather is still good. Here is the rest of the crew. We all just had the coffee and bread and we're gonna look for some restaurant to have brunch later.